In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix down artificial grass on your flat roof. There's a number of benefits of fitting artificial grass over a flat roof. To start with, aesthetically it looks so much better. It'll help with the insulation value as well as adding extra soundproofing. Our roof is a fiberglass GRP system. Many standard roofs are felt, so you're going to need to use a professional adhesive, just like 3C's Max Bond. Apply a heavy line of glue across the front, back and sides of your roof area, as well as internal lines at least 1 metre apart. Roll your artificial grass over the glue, using a soft brush to iron out any creases, trying to get it as flat as possible. You can also use the inner tube roll, which will help flatten the surface. The artificial grass is weatherproof, permeable and it drains efficiently, so if it's fitted correctly, it'll last for years. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, 60 Second DIY.